Hi, welcome to Classic Car Cave. So there's not much in this video, it's just going to be very short. I got a call on Saturday. I was supposed to take the track mini on the trailer up to Max, where he was going to take the engine out and find the problem on the leak on this gearbox or on this housing, this differential housing. But he called me Saturday morning and said there'd been some problem, and you can't take the car up there till Thursday this week. So the problem with that is it's leaving a very short space of time to get it done. So I'll take it up on Thursday. My wife leaves for Dubai on Thursday. She's running a business in Dubai, an exhibition business. So she's off on Thursday, and she hasn't been particularly well. So I had to rush up to Vienna this morning or this afternoon and come back again. So basically the day's been a bit written off because it's about 2 hours up there and 2 hours back, and then with the dog and everything. So I've not done anything on the car, unfortunately. It's not pressing, but at least I know everything's okay. I just need to put it back together. So I just need to get a bit of time to do that, which I'll do tomorrow. But so now Thursday is going to be the day that I take the track car up on the trailer, and so hopefully hopefully he'll work Thursday, a bit of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and hopefully a couple of days before we're due to go up on the 26th, which is the Friday, the event, the Ventilspiel, the event is on the 27th on the Saturday, but we go up on the Friday and set up. And Martin and Lol have got their motorhome there, so we leave the Mini and the trailer and everything there, and then I can go and stay I've booked a hotel room, and then we have the event on the Saturday. So it's cutting it really, really fine, but he's promised me, and I have to say it's great, in this day and age to get somebody to stand by their word and get some service quality, or when somebody does a job and then they'll take it back and do it properly. And I don't know why it started to leak, because it didn't leak initially. It seemed to leak after about an hour of running, and then we started having a problem. And he's pretty sure he can sort it. And anybody can, Max can. But yeah, to try and get service these days from people, service support or quality, it's very difficult. As soon as you buy something off somebody, they're not interested. But Max is good to his word. I know he'll have it ready, and we'll be able to take it to the circuit. So that's the situation. So as I said, unfortunately I couldn't work on the car today, which is what I was intending on doing, because it was yesterday that I put the rockers back on, so everything's nicely sealed up. So hopefully tomorrow I'll get working on this, and I also have to go down and buy a couple of spare tyres for my trailer as well for Red Bull. So that's basically it. There's a little bit of video, probably not worth putting up, but I thought I would do it anyway. And I'll let you know how we get on. I'll do some video when I take it up there, and then whatever else I'm getting on with, because I've got some work on the tractor I need to do as well. So I hope you enjoyed the little bit of video that's in it. Take care, everybody. So I haven't got the carb set up yet. I've not put the radiator back in or the hoses or anything. I've just put the rocker covers back. I've still got to set up the idle speed and the airflow and everything else. I've got an airflow meter, so I'll check that out. So tomorrow I'll put all the radiator back in and everything, so I can run it for a bit longer, because obviously you don't want to run it for too long without any water in it. But I'll give you an idea of how it sounds. I'll just put the battery on. These are a good bit of kit, these isolators, because as I say, you can either take it with you if you're in a hotel or going away somewhere, and it's a nice way of breaking the contact straight away. If you've got a problem with the engine override. So I know it's out of gear, I just started it, and you can hear it running too quick. But it's starting off the key. It's quick. So I'll get on with the rest of it tomorrow. Let all this sealing. I haven't put any sealant on the head because You need to do it with these rocker cover gaskets. You need to put some kind of sealant on the gasket on the rocker cover side because they're so flimsy, and there's O-ring seals at the back here as well. And you need to see when you're tightening down, because these are very small dome nuts. You need to see it coming out, but I don't put it on the face because obviously that's an absolute bitch to clean off. And what you don't want is, you don't want any, when you're cleaning it, you don't want to be getting any crap down onto the camshafts or down into the oil waste. So tomorrow I'll put the radiator back in and I can show you how we're getting on. And hopefully I won't put the bonnet back on, as I said, because I need to do some things to it. And that's going to take some weeks. Although, yeah, the other problem is it's so heavy I can't lift it on my own. But we'll see. So we'll see what's next.